Meanwhile, in Punjab, with the government arranging for NRIs to be quarantined in hotels, hotel owners are fighting a dual battle. They are facing both financial losses as well as a stigma. Hoteliers now want the centre and the state to come up with a special economic package for their revival.
Punjab is known for its big fat weddings, and these are a big money spinner for the state's hospitality sector. But with the 2 months lockdown as well as a ban on wedding celebrations with more than 50 people, the hotel industry has already taken a massive hit. Now with the Punjab government arranging for the returning NRIs to be quarantined in hotels, hotel owners are fighting a dual battle: financial losses as well as stigma. With 20,000 people expected to return over the next few days, close to 7,000 hotel rooms and institutional rooms have been arranged by the Punjab government across the state, where travellers will be quarantined.
The DCs have signed a kind of an agreement, understanding with the hoteliers that a basic minimum which can be charged, that includes food charges also, food refreshment and hotel room charges at a very, very nominal basis. So DCs have signed an MOU with those hotels, because hotels are also lying in disuse. We also need rooms. So it's better that the people who come and stay there, at least the hotel will be moving and they will be able to cover some fixed costs.
With many NRIs not opting for these paid quarantine facilities, hotels are now incurring further losses.
तकरीबन 12 दिन हो चुके हैं. हमने डीएम से लाइजन किया कि होटल्स का स्टेटस क्या है. हमारा स्टाफ डे एंड नाइट वेट कर रहा है, कब आ रहा है. बट कहीं से भी हमें कोई प्रॉपर कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं मिली. और उसमें इवन देन ये था कि अगर कोई कोविड का पेशेंट होटल से निकल गया तो 188 का केस रजिस्टर होटलियर पे होगा. अब हॉस्पिटलिटी सेक्टर का डेली का 1.25 करोड़ का डेली लॉस हो रहा है, और होटल इंडस्ट्री पहले ऑलरेडी लॉस में चल रही है. अब ये डबल बर्डन हो गया.
Another worry is the stigma associated with being a quarantine center and how it will affect business in the future.
तकरीबन जो हमारे लुधियाने में, बाकी जलंधर शहर में, अमृतसर में 1 या 2 होटल में क्वारंटाइन के लोग रुके भी हुए हैं, उनके मालिक काफ़ी परेशान नज़र आ रहे हैं, क्योंकि सरकार ने वहाँ पे बार लगा दिया है भी ये होटल क्वारंटाइन के लिए है. मुझे लगता है भी आने वाले वक्त में अगर कोई नॉर्मल स्थिति हो भी जाती है, क्वारंटाइन वाले अपने घर भी चले जाते हैं, भी 2-4 महीने मुझे नहीं लगता भी कोई नॉर्मल बंदा इन होटल में आके रहने के लिए तैयार होगा.
Many sectors have reported job and financial losses in the last 2 months of lockdown, and the similar stories have been shared by the hospitality and the hotel industry of Punjab. Now they demand that the finance minister, both at the centre and at the union government, should announce a special relief package for the revival of their sector. With Preet in Bhatinda in Chandigarh, Mohammad Ghazali for NDTV.